If your 2007 Toyota Prius key fob isn't working, look for these common symptoms: intermittent locking or unlocking, no response when pressing buttons, or a key not detected warning appearing on your dashboard. The most common issues with your 2007 Prius key fob are a dead battery, which is often the easiest fix, key fob desynchronization from electromagnetic interference, or faulty proximity sensors that detect the key's location. To diagnose the issue, start by checking the key fob's battery, since that's the most common cause. If replacing the battery doesn't resolve it, suspect desynchronization or a faulty proximity sensor. Use the process of elimination to narrow it down. Safety first. Before working on any electronics, always disconnect the car's 12-volt battery to prevent electrical shorts or damage. If the battery is dead, replace it with a CR2032 lithium battery. Pry open the fob with a screwdriver and ensure the positive side faces up. If that doesn't work, try relearning the key. Insert the key, turn to on without starting the engine, hold lock-unlock for 5 seconds, and cycle the ignition. Repeat up to 4 times. For proximity sensor issues, clean the door handle contacts with isopropyl alcohol. If the sensor is bad, replace it with part number 88250-47010. As a last resort for software glitches, update the firmware using Toyota TechStream. If problems persist, a dealership fix may be needed, costing $150 to $300.